Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Ali Shanmo here. Today in this video I'm going to introduce to you the Maxkgo 200 amp 5S to 12S LiPo ESC. Now originally this is intended for the multi-rotors and drones ESC, but I have been told that without any issues I can use it with RC helicopters as well. Maxkgo also claimed that when I use this ESC I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna love its performance. So we're gonna put that claim to a test for sure, and I am going to use this ESC with the GooSky RS5 Legend 500 size RC helicopter. I've got everything ready. I was just waiting on this ESC. Now if you look at this ESC, it's really nice and compact for a ESC that can handle a 200 amp or 250 amp burst current. This is pretty small. It's compact, it's small, it's lightweight, and it is really tough. This is a CNC metal shell all around it that not only makes this a tough ESC but also provides a nice heat dissipation and act as a heat sink to keep the ESC cool. We have ESC in the box, some heat shrink tubes, and a two color black and white cable for the ESC signal. Now if you are looking at the ESC right here, apart from its compact size, it is very easy to solder your cables. As you can see, the motor cables you can easily solder here, either up or on the bottom, and similarly positive and negative for the battery side you can solder right here. And in the middle you have a signal, ground and telemetry. So ground, signal and telemetry right here on these pins. So it's gonna be very easy to use it. Now this ESC offers overcurrent, over temperature, motor stall and low speed protections. So if a propeller gets stuck, well, ESC has a protection on it. This ESC also supports D-Shot, 300, 600 and servo PWM values, so it should be easy to use with any flight controller, and also compatible motors. And if you want to configure this ESC, there is a web configurator that you can use to configure all parameters of this ESC, but you will need a USB programmer just like this tiny little thing. Let me just get it out. You will have to purchase it separately, easily available on AliExpress. This is AM32 program converter, so you can connect it to USB and your computer, and the other side you can connect to your signal cable on this ESC and program it. So it should be easy to program. So this is basically good for multi-rotors, but question once again, is it really good for RC helicopters? And as the Maxkgo really claimed that I'm gonna love it, or people gonna love this and its performance, well, we're gonna put that to a test very soon, because this project is starting and inshallah I will start to build this helicopter. Now why I want to build this helicopter, that's another question that I'm gonna answer right now. Now let me answer the question why I want to build this Legend. As you can see in the background right here, an FW450 V3 is waiting for a fuselage that's printing the last part. And what is that helicopter? It's a surprise I'm gonna drop very soon, so stay tuned for that. But yes, back to this question, why I want to build this GooSky RS5. Make a guess and let me know in the comments.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty South, ain't no one slick.